sound can either break or make a video. I mean, people rather watch a poor quality video with good audio than a good quality video with poor audio. This is where PowerDeWise Lavalier Mic enters. So as you guys know, I recently upgraded the microphone that I use with this camera to the Zoom H1N, which this is being recorded from. But I thought it's time to upgrade my sound to something better. So I put this PowerDeWise Lavalier Mic or Lapel mic for $20 on Amazon. Let's see if it's any good. So first up, let's just have a quick look at the box. So there's a 3.5mm jack, so it means this microphone can be directly used with your iPhone or Android device. It comes with an extension cord, it comes with an adapter so you can connect it to your camera, to your recording devices, computer, and etc. So if we open up the box, so we've got the pouch, we've got a microfiber cloth, we've got this warning that says if you have problems just make sure it's connected tightly. Interesting, connected tightly. So we've got this lovely pouch, PowerDeWise Easy Vlogging. So first up we've got this little thing, so you've got two foam heads, and this is the adapter that I'll be using to connect it to the Zoom H1N. But if you're connecting it to your iPhone or Android, you don't need this, to be honest. So let's take that out for later use. That's your extension. It seems very good quality. I mean, it's quite solid metal, or solid good quality plastic. I'll say the cap and then the actual thing is gold plated. The cable is your standard rubber, $20 cable, so there's nothing too special about that. But this is what we're here for, the lavalier mic. Yeah, so it comes with a foam already. Can we remove this? Yeah. So it's your typical $20 plastic mic. However, it's good plastic. It's not the cheap type plastic. It's quite sturdy. You've got your rubber mic, you've got your rubber cable. You've got a good jack as well, and it comes with this cable tie. Let's unravel this. The mic comes with a TRRS cable. It comes with the adapter that you saw earlier on to convert it to TRS. What this basically means is it comes with an iPhone or Android friendly cable, and it comes with an adapter where you can connect it to your laptop, your microphone, or your camera. The mic rotates 360 degrees. This comes off, as you guys know, and it's got quite a sturdy grip. I mean, I feel like this is metal. The grip, the actual clip is metal. Okay, so let's give it a test and see what the quality is like in reality. So the audio that you're hearing right now is coming directly from the camera. And now the audio that you're hearing right now is coming through the Zoom H1N. Let's see how it goes. So this is what I love about a lavalier mic. It means I could be anywhere and the mic will still pick it up because the mic is attached to me, not the camera. So the audio that you're hearing right now is directly from the lavalier mic. I had to stop, put my headphones in and listen to it, and it sounds absolutely fantastic. It picked up my voice very nice and crisp. Now let's disconnect the lavalier mic and see how the audio directly on the Zoom H1N sounds. So this is the sound coming directly from the Zoom H1N. So it sounds okay, but compared to the lavalier mic, which is picking up my voice really well, it's night and day. And especially that this lavalier mic could be connected to your mobile phone when you're out and about and recording things. It's just a no-brainer for $20. And now this is the audio directly from the camera. I mean, it's night and day compared to both of these different options. The lavalier mic makes your voice crispy and clear, while the Zoom H1N also does a fantastic job, but is a bit more of a further distance. And now I'm on a relatively busy road, and this is the audio coming directly from the lavalier mic. And now this is the audio directly coming from the Zoom H1N. The traffic has gone a bit down, so we'll see how that goes. And finally, this is the audio coming directly through the camera. Can't hear anything, can you? So what's the verdict? Should you buy it, shortlist it, or stay away from it? Well, I think you should buy it. For $20, it's a non-brainer. The accessories it comes with alone is worth $20. The 6.5 feet, 2-meter extension cable. The cable to the actual lapel mic is also 6.5 feet, 2 meters. The connector to connect it to your laptop, camera, or recorder, which Rode charges you $30 for alone. and the spare foam heads and even carrying case make an absolute bargain. As you heard from the test earlier, this microphone not only sounds crisp and clear, but has the right amount of bass to elevate your audio to the next level. While this may be seen as a budget lavalier mic, it definitely is not the case. It runs, if not beats, the Rode or Shure mics in this segment, which by the way cost more than double. So whether you are a vlogger, ASMRist, interviewer, heck, even a podcaster, then this lavalier mic is for you. Just because the price is low, it does not mean that the product is of low quality. Anyway, that is the end of this review. If you enjoyed this review, then please subscribe, like, and comment down below with what mic you're using now. Peace.